Whenever you get asked the question, what do you believe? It's such a big open-ended question, it can be difficult to answer. And so this is somewhat more clear and concise. And it's not everything we believe, but it's definitely the major points. And it helps you answer those people. And then the biggest questions they're probably going to ask about is, what do you believe about God and His Son or His Spirit? Or what do you believe about salvation or His body or the Bible? So we go over this morning and make it as clear as possible so that when someone asks you that question, you can know. And when you ask yourself, what do I believe? You can look here and say, do I believe this? And we have a lot of scriptural background. That's where we're getting all our answers, obviously, is the Bible. And so that when that question comes up, you can have a good answer. And we as a people can have an answer collectively together as a team and as a family.